Hello friends, hope you are good and fine. This is Abhishek Jaiswal and I am going to teach you a very interesting subject named as Auto Component Design or ACD. So let's get started with very first lecture. That is subject introduction. It's my common observation that first lecture decides how easy or how difficult subject might be for easy of understanding. So please pay your attention. Today we are going to throw lights on two main points. The first one is prerequisites and another one is syllabus. First thing first, prerequisites. Prerequisites are nothing but the foundation of basic knowledge we require for better understanding of this subject. Basically, we require total 3 subjects fundamental knowledge which is essential, and they are engineering mechanics, strength of material and theory of machine. We already studied this subject in first and second years. Considering you have basic knowledge of these subjects, this course is being introduced to you in this stage, that is in third year. If you forgotten this basic concept, don't worry, I am going to recall all concepts in upcoming lectures. Let's go to next point, that is syllabus review. We have to study total 6 units, and they are introduction to design, design of chassis component, design of shaft and keys, design of gears, design of engine components, and last one is ergonomics and aesthetic consideration in design. And this is last column. In this last column we can see distribution of 3 marks for each unit. Let's throw lights on each unit in detail. Unit first is introduction to design, in which we have to study fundamentals, behavior of stress and strain curves for ductile and brittle material. Then what is factor of safety, then what is stress concentration, why it occurs and how it can be minimized. Also we are going to discuss various types of failure, as well as we have two concepts, that is standardization and preferred number series. Now what I am going to do, I am going to change the sequence of unit number 6 because this unit is too small, easy and totally theoretical in nature. That means we are going to cover unit number first and unit number 6 which are theoretical, and then after we will cover remaining 4 units which are totally numerical based. In unit number 2nd we are going to follow standard procedure to design various chassis components like clutch, brakes, levers and springs. In unit number 3 we are going to design propeller shaft of an automobile and key. In unit number 4 we have to design different types of gears. This unit is somewhat difficult to understand because of complicated gear terminology, but don't worry, I will make it short and simple for you. Next topic is design of engine component. This topic is interesting as we will design piston rings, piston pins, connecting rods, design of cam profile, design of flywheel and many more components. So more or less this is all about today's lecture. Hope you are enjoying the learning. Thanks for learning. See you in the next lecture.